Good afternoon, guys. We are Group Automated Aquarium Clean Systems. This is the prototype. Our supervisor is Dr. Fudi, and we are built. We have 4 members: Norbert, Kyril, Hamida, and me. So I would like to ask Norbert to describe the mechanical part. So Norbert.
Thank you.
Okay, I will explain the mechanical design for this project. First of all, there's a frame here, and this frame will act as a rail for our cleaning mechanism to move. So, in this frame, there's 2 switches in the left side and the right side. This switches act as the limit for the cleaning mechanism to move. And in the cleaning mechanism, there's divided by 2 parts, which is the inner part, inner beam, and the outside beam. The outside beam here, we can see that there's a motor here that will act as a pulley that will bring the washer up and down. And we use a bearing here to smoothen the movement of the outer beam. And in the inner beam here, this is the most important part in our cleaning mechanism that will make the cleaning mechanism itself to move. And the motor will drag the wheel, which is the rod is attached to the motor, and 2 wheels with dimension of 0.7 centimeter and that's it for our cleaning mechanism. And that's our next. I will pass to Amina to explain the electrical design.
Thank you.
Use Arduino for the microcontroller because it is widely available online and easy to use program. And for other things, we use ProtoShield to connect everything and mount it on the Arduino board. Because it is a wireless control, so we use Bluetooth for serial communication. Further explanation will be explained by my teammate. And RTC is to control the time when the aquarium start cleaning. We use L293D H bridge for the motor driver. The reason why we use this is because it has H bridge, which allows the motor to go in both directions, clockwise and anti-clockwise. And as explained by Norbert, we use the limit switches as sensors. Before this, we use button switches, but it's too hard to detect. Okay. And also the water sensor. This one is to know the water level of the aquarium. And not to forget the voltage regulator. This one is to supply the 6 volt for the motor. Okay, that is all from my part.
Come back.
So for programming part, this system will not run without without getting any input from the user through the Bluetooth. So I will talk about the automatic part first. For this automatic part, it will run from this rail. You run for 1 second, approximately until here. It will stop. You make one up-down motion to clean the surface, and then it will continuously run for this. But in this situation, there's 2 conditions. There will 2 conditions happen when it reach the edge and reach the side, both sides here. At first, you run until here, reach the edge. You reach the edge, I made a code make sure that the cleaning mechanism part will totally pass through the edge by using the roller switch inside this beam. I want to make sure so that the magnet won't start at the corner of the aquarium. Another is you want to continue run until here. We will do the same thing for the edge until here. So he also will make another smooth turn here until it hit this switch. Hit this switch, I will change the direction of the motor so that it will run back in this way. I said I want this mechanism, the cleaning beam, go back to the initial position here. So until here, you will do a smooth turn, continue run by 1 second, up down motion, up down motion, up down motion, and make another turn here until here. When it hits this switch, it will stop. This is my automatic part. So I will receive the time interval from the Bluetooth there. Like if 24 hours, this will run once without any control. As I connect RTC and I use it as I use the time library to control it. Which means after 24 hours you run itself. After 24 hours run itself. But the thing is you cannot reset this Arduino, or you cannot off the power supply, the power adapter. For the manual part, I will receive four input from the Bluetooth, which is left, right, and up, down. So for the left, he will keep running left until I receive a stop command from the user. When I click right, he will run to the right until it receives the stop command from the user. And once I receive the up down, I will make 1 times up down only. So after you run the manual mode, I will make sure the beam will go back to the initial state. I use one code to control this go back to the initial state after the user click the manual mode, so that it will start cleaning automatically. It will start from here. Else, if I don't do that, maybe the user run until here, stop it. So next time when the time trigger, the time alarm trigger, the beam will start from here. So it's not efficiency, which means this side is not cleaning. That's my part for programming. So I will pass to our app developer, Kyril, to continue this.
Hello everyone, my name is Kyril and I'm in charge of app development for this aquarium cleaning. This aquarium cleaning will be controlled by this app.
So hello everyone, you can see this is the app that has been used to control the aquarium. This app, firstly what you need to do is, as for the user, all the button is not available to be pressed because it is one of the safety features of the apps and also the aquarium. So first you need to connect this to the Arduino, to the aquarium HT05 here. So wait for a moment. Yeah, I never took turn off. So when this happen, when the aquarium cannot be connected, you will say error, cannot again, and then all the button will be still disabled. Let me fix for a while. So when we connect it, it's connected. And then now I can choose between auto and manual. So let's go for the auto first. Now we have several options here, which is the time selected and notification. So when I select the time, I have several options for me to use for the aquarium to clean itself. So as I choose, for example, I choose 1 hour So the aquarium will clean itself every 1 hour. Here, for this aquarium, actually it's recommended to use 6 hours, as it takes only about 6 minutes to fully clean. And then for the notification, you can choose vibrate and ring only, vibrate only, or none. Here. Here, this notification is for the user to know whether or not the aquarium has been cleaned. So let's go ahead and choose vibrate and ring. So now you are available to set the volume of this. So I set it to maximum or minimum. Bear in mind, when I change this to vibrate only, the volume will be disabled. So here you can see the system condition off, and the water level, as my electrical guy has mentioned, there's a water, this aquarium can detect the water level. So everything else will be disabled except for these two and run. So I cannot stop, I cannot change the mode of this aquarium. So after I run it, only after I run it I will be able to stop. So I cannot run it anymore. Even though I change this to anything, it's still disabled. So the user cannot send the input twice. So let's go ahead and stop this, and then it will go ahead to set auto and manual again. So as the manual, you can see here they got left, up, down is the cleaning mechanism, and the right, and also pause. Pause is because when you start to press left, it will continue moving left until I pause it. Same goes with the right. So when I press left, you need to wait until you go to the place that you want it to move. You just press pause. So, and then you cannot run it because this is a manual mode. You cannot run it. And then there is a stop button here. Stop. So that is all for the apps development, and this is how you control the aquarium. Peace.